Are you paying more than the base premiums for Medicare Parts B and D, even though your income has significantly decreased due to a life-changing event like retirement, marriage, divorce, or the death of a spouse? If so, there's a way to request a reduction in these extra charges. Hello again and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to complete Form SSA-44 to request a lower Medicare income-related monthly adjustment amount, life-changing event, also known as IRMAA. This form can help you reduce the additional amount you pay for Medicare, Part B and Part D, if you've experienced a qualifying life-changing event that has reduced your household income. Before we get started though, please be sure to subscribe to our channel. This helps us get important information out to as many people as possible. Thank you in advance. So, let's get started. To fill out the form, you'll need documentation of your life-changing event, which depends on the specific event you experienced. Evidence of your modified adjusted gross income, MAGI, such as a copy of your federal tax return for the relevant tax year, your Social Security number and Medicare card, and your contact information for the SSA to reach you if needed. To download the form, you can visit the Social Security Administration's website directly. Just Google Form SSA-44, and at the top of the search results, you'll see Request to Lower IRMAA Medicare. Follow the link and you'll find the downloadable version of the form. Instafill also supports Form SSA-44. You can select it from Instafill's list of popular forms, making the process even simpler. Let's go through the form and how to fill it out. Remember, the information you provide on this form must be true and complete. This is required because the government will verify your details. The form has 3 main pages for you to fill out. Once completed, you can schedule an appointment with your local Social Security office to submit it, or you can also fax or mail it. Okay, page 1. Fill out your name as it appears on your Social Security card, and then your Social Security number. You'll see the income ranges here and the additional amount someone would need to pay on top of their regular Part B premiums, based on their modified adjusted gross income. On page 2, you're going to check which life-changing event reduced your income lower than it was 2 years ago. You can see here that they only ask you to pick one box. Picking multiple boxes is not going to improve your odds, so just pick one. If you do have multiple reasons, choose the most compelling. Details and definitions of each event are on page 5 of this form. So just pick one and put in the date when this happened. The next part is where you will put in the year that you experienced the reduction in income, as well as any taxes of interest, such as municipal bond interest. And then pick your tax filing status. Please know that you will have to submit proof through your tax return. If your new income isn't what you write here, they could charge you the difference. For step 3, if your income will be even lower than it is in step 2 next year, mark the yes box and fill out the year, the estimated income, the estimated tax-exempt interest, and the filing status. Again, you're going to want to make this as accurate as possible. Step 4 is where you need to provide evidence of the life-changing event. On page 8 of the form, they list the life-changing events and the evidence needed to file this appeal. For instance, if you retired, you can use an original signed statement from your employer, copies of pay stubs, or original or certified documents of the transfer of your business. The last section, step 5, is where you will sign, put your best phone number, and your current mailing address. You may be contacted with questions, so provide a good number and address to reach you. Once this is all done, you are ready to submit. Again, you can schedule an appointment with your local Social Security office or mail it to them. You can see the form can be quite complicated, and there's always a chance to miss some important information or make errors or typos when filling it out. And here's where Instafill can help you. With this AI-powered online tool, you can simply upload your PDF form and let the AI PDF form filler ensure an accurate, error-free document. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.